Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to tell you all how to make a music playing board using Python. So I am right now in Sublime Text. Now I can use Visual Studio Code, but like there are terminals and things like that just irritates me. So I'm using Sublime Text, or I can use PyCharm, but I don't want to. Let's just see how to do this thing. So first of all, you need to have a module installed which is called this pywhatkit. If you don't have it installed, just type terminal. Some people type terminal cmd or command prompt. Some people type like this. So just type terminal and write pip install pywhatkit. Now I have just installed it, so I'm not going to show you all. So just like go over here, type import, import this module, just copy this thing, just copy it. I'll tell you why. Paste it over here, press the dot key, type play on YT. Play on YT means play on YouTube. YT means YouTube. So now, like, if you have any favorite song, then you can just put over here, such as you can see now. And after I save it, when I go to this location and run this file, it would play, but I don't want to, because that would just waste your time. So I hope you all understood how to do this thing. Watch the intro, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.